Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Khalifa Al-Haroon. I am the head of interactive and innovation at Vodafone Qatar, and this time we're going to be showing you some of the amazing Qatar apps on both Android and iOS. Now just bear in mind that all of the applications are on both of the handsets or operating systems, and so all you need to do is check out the little note that we have on the video and I'll tell you if you can get it on Android or on iOS. Great, so now let's quickly switch back and we're going to go through the little quick Qatar apps folder. And by the way, we've got loads of apps specifically focused on Qatar. It's fantastic, and we're going to talk about those later. But first we're going to talk about our first 5 applications. Now the first application is available on both iOS and on Android, and it is the Doha Film app. I've already signed into the DFi application, but let's see, what would it look like if I didn't sign in before? So I'm going to quickly open that up, and as you can see, you'll get this screen that lets you know about joining the community, exploring the content, as well as information on their film festival. And then you've also got sign in with Facebook. You can sign up with an email, or you can even skip it if you don't want to, sign up. I do recommend that you do sign up because it gives you additional options and features and notifications too. So as you can see, the applications look fairly identical, almost identical on both operating systems. Now what are the features that you're going to find? Again, in this case you've got Jason Statham because they're now playing the Hummingbird. And of course you've got my name up there. Yeah, that's my name. We've got Film Talk, now playing DFi Social, and of course they've got the DTFF 2012 over here because we did have the Tribeca Film Festival here in Qatar, and they're going to be updating this application to reflect the new festivals that are happening this year. So what are some of the settings that you're going to see? You're going to see your My Profile as well as application settings too. So if I click on App Settings, you can also see that you can change your preferred language to Arabic, which is fantastic. I love it that when applications think about having both languages in English and in Arabic. Of course, you can send a tweet, post on Facebook, send an email, or of course send them feedback too. So let's go back really quickly. We're going to take a look at the Now Playing. In Now Playing, you can see the films that are now playing, and it's fantastic because you've got the Spotlight. In this case, you've got the Buzzkashi Boys. We've also got Hummingbird. Here are the popular now showing. You've got Iron Man, you've got the Great Gatsby. It's just really, really nice, simple applications that you can also get notifications for. So I recommend checking out the DFi app. The next application we're going to take a look at is for all you sports and football fans. This is LCOS Channels LCOS application, and I really like it because it has this little timeline view. You can also see the date for when the content was pushed live, and we've got a little simple option over there. And so if you tap on that to go home, we can see that what we've got is Adobe news, videos, pictures, and also the latest statistics. And so if I just click on video, then I can see that they've got the different shows. They've got the Qatar Stars League. They've got all the different competitions that they've had going on. So you can just tap on those and you can watch the little clips. What's also really cool for all of you fans as well is that if you really need to get your sports fix on, all you need to do is tap on the live feed, and then what you'll be able to see is, and let that load for just a second, is a live feed. And of course the programming is in both English and in Arabic. So it's fantastic. Now, the only thing that I would like to mention for you application users is sadly this is only in Arabic and it's not in English and in Arabic. But if you can use the icons to navigate through it, it'll be great for you to just take a look at the live feed for LCOS channel. The next application, or I should say pair of applications, is iTrip and iTraffic, also known as Masarak. And so the reason why I bundled these two together is because they are they are like a suite of apps. We've got the iTraffic application over here, and if I tap on that really quickly, we're greeted with a quick splash screen. And then if you take a look at the full map and I tap on that, what this does is it shows you where the high traffic spots are, and this is fairly live. And the really great thing is that the more people that use this application, the more data it can gather, and the more data it can gather, the more accurate it's going to be. In this case, it shows us that right now, over here by the Corniche, this strip specifically has heavy congestion. So let's take a look at all of the other features that you have on this. So you can look around me, you can take a look at the streets, and this was a really interesting thing. So if I tapped on roundabouts, it actually shows that we've got 134 roundabouts in Qatar. Who knew that? And now you've got all of the names too, so you got a name to put to it. Apparently this is roundabout number 18 or 19, and you got 28 right below it. So if you know where those roundabouts are, let me know. If you tap on settings, you can also choose between map, satellite, and hybrid. Now let's exit this application really quickly and enter iTrip. Now what iTrip does is it ties in iTraffic, but also gives you satellite navigation. So if I tap from where I am, the current location, tap to, and I'm going to select point this time. So what I can do is I can grab this pin and I can put it to wherever I want to go, and I click done. Then once I'm done, it'll give me a plan. But before I tap on plan, I tap on the settings app. Then I tap on traffic conditions. After switching on traffic conditions and then tapping on done, give it a second to load, and then tap on go so I can calculate a route. And not only will it give you a route, but it'll also show you where the traffic zones or congestion areas are as well. So it'll help you to make the right decision so you can get to the point that you want to get to in an easy and of course quick way. So the fourth application we're going to be talking about is QF Radio's app. Now, if we just quickly tap on that application, we can see that this is specifically for 93.7 FM, which is the Arabic QF radio station. They also have an English radio station, and I've been told that they're going to be working on updating both of the apps so that you can either have a dedicated English app, or they haven't decided if they want to have one app that has both English and Arabic live feeds. And so if you click on QF Radio Live, then what that'll do is it'll start to stream the radio station for you so you can listen to it. Unusually, even though this is for the QF Radio Arabic station, it doesn't have an Arabic menu, or at least I haven't figured out how to find the Arabic menu. And so inshallah they will be doing an update that'll have it in Arabic as well. Besides streaming the radio station, you've also got programs, news, events, and of course a media gallery as well. We can't wait to see their update. The final application that we're going to be talking about is Kahrama's application. I'm really excited for this app, so if you just quickly load that up really fast, we'll see that it's in English and in Arabic. We love it when it's in dual language. Let's tap on English really fast. We've got 4 different options. We've got the service tracking, we've got bill payment, email update, and of course contact option 2. If we tap on service tracking, we have different options, and what you can do is you can check out your building permit, information, service connection, even the meter installation. That's very handy. Then let's quickly go home and we tap on bill payment. All you have to do is enter your Qatar ID number and your electricity number, then tap on get data, and it'll let you pay your bills if there is anything outstanding. I would show you a demonstration, but I don't have any outstanding bills at the moment. And so try this out. By the way, all of these applications that I've showed so far are all for free. Yes, they are all free. To make your lives easier, all you need to do is check the description. We've got the links to all of these applications so that you can download them if they're available on iOS or on Android. If you'd like more information about how to get data activated, or if you just want to update your plan, all you need to do is go to www.vodafone.qa and you'll find loads of information. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope that you've not only subscribed, but you share this video for anybody that's interested in learning about some really amazing apps.